Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Python and databases. Python is a powerful programming language commonly utilized for a multitude of applications, one of which is manipulating databases. Databases serve as repositories for organizing and handling data in a structured manner. For instance, in e-commerce, Python can be employed to interact with a database to store and retrieve customer information when processing orders. To connect to databases in Python, libraries like SQL2 for PostgreSQL or SQLAlchemy for various database types can be used. For PostgreSQL, the SQL2 library is commonly employed. To establish a connection to a PostgreSQL database using SQL2, one must first import the library. Subsequently, the SQL2.connect method is utilized, passing the necessary connection parameters such as the database name, username, and password as arguments. This establishes a connection to the PostgreSQL database, allowing for operations like querying or updating data. In industrial settings, one can utilize SQL queries to interact with databases after establishing a connection. In Python, the SQL2 library facilitates the execution of queries, including insert, select, update, and delete. For instance, when executing a select query using SQL2, one first creates a cursor object by calling con.cursor, then executes the query with cur.execute select from users, and finally fetches the resulting data using cur.fetchAll. This allows for seamless retrieval of data from the specified table, such as users in this case. Python provides robust capabilities to handle data retrieved from databases, enabling tasks like processing, display, and analysis. By leveraging Python's versatility, fetched data can be seamlessly manipulated. For instance, a simple loop iterating through fetched rows, followed by a print statement, can effectively display database contents. This exemplifies Python's efficiency in managing database data. To sum up, Python facilitates the manipulation and utilization of database data, enhancing the efficiency of data handling tasks for users. Maintaining database connections is crucial to prevent memory leaks and resource wastage. Failing to close a connection after use can tie up system resources and hamper application performance. By closing the connection, you release these resources back into the pool for reuse, enhancing the overall efficiency of your system. For instance, in Python, invoking con.close properly shuts down the database connection, freeing up system resources for other tasks. Irrespective of the programming language or database system used, adhering to this practice is essential for optimal system performance and resource management during database operations. Python is like a chef who knows how to prepare and manipulate ingredients, data, to create a delicious dish, database. Databases are like pantries that store different ingredients for the chef to use. SQL, structured query language, is like the recipe book that the chef follows to retrieve or manipulate specific ingredients in the pantry. Connecting Python to a database is like giving the chef access to the pantry so they can use the ingredients to create their dish. Querying a database in Python is like the chef using the recipe book to find and retrieve the specific ingredients they need for their dish. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The given Python code defines two classes, chef and pantry. The pantry class represents a storage unit for ingredients and initializes with a dictionary of ingredients and their quantities. It has a get method to retrieve the quantity of a specific ingredient from the pantry based on the provided ingredient name. If the ingredient is not found, it returns a default message. The chef class represents a chef who uses ingredients from the pantry. It has an init method to initialize with a pantry object and a used ingredients method to get the quantity of a specific ingredient from the pantry using the get method of the pantry object. An instance of the chef class is created with an instance of the pantry class. The use ingredients method is then called for two scenarios, getting the quantity of flour and trying to get the quantity of salt, which is not present in the pantry. The output when running this code will be 2 cups ingredient not found in pantry. In a real-world application, this scenario could be likened to a Python program interacting with a database to retrieve specific data based on user input. The pantry class can be seen as a simplified representation of a database storing different types of information, and the chef class as the Python program fetching and utilizing this data. Python and databases play a crucial role in various industries, facilitating efficient data management and retrieval. One such real-world example is in the e-commerce sector. When a customer places an order on an online shopping platform, Python scripts interact with databases to update inventory levels, retrieve customer details, and process transactions. This seamless communication between Python and databases ensures swift order processing and inventory management in e-commerce operations. Another application of Python and databases is in the healthcare industry. Medical facilities use Python to develop applications for patient record management, appointment scheduling, and data analysis. Database systems store patient information, test results, and treatment histories, allowing healthcare professionals to access critical data swiftly. Python scripts interact with these databases to retrieve patient records, update treatment plans, and generate reports, streamlining healthcare operations and enhancing patient care. In conclusion, Python's integration with databases facilitates data handling and retrieval in various industries, ranging from e-commerce to healthcare, optimizing processes and enabling efficient decision-making across the globe. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.